Hi guys! Welcome to Learn Japanese with M. Today we're going to talk about common office supplies and stationery. As always, I'm going to use mnemonics to help you remember the vocabularies. Let's start! The first one is stapler. Hochikisu. Hochikisu. Stapler. Hochikisu. The mnemonics will be a stapler facilitates a hot kiss between two pieces of paper. A stapler facilitates a hot kiss between two pieces of paper. Hot kiss, hochikisu, 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 hot kiss, hochikisu, hochikisu. Stapler. A stapler facilitates a hot kiss, hochikisu, between two pieces of paper. Stapler, hochikisu. Stapler, hochikisu. Next is chair. Isu, isu, chair, isu. The mnemonics for this is Isuzu is a car brand. Isuzu zoom forward on the road in the Isuzu car. Isu. Isuzu is a car brand. Isu zoom forward. Isu chair. Isu zoom forward. Isu zoom forward. Isu chair. Isu on the Isuzu car zoom forward on the road. Chair. Isu. Isu on the Isuzu car. Isu chair. Isu chair. Isu. Let's move on. The third one is Memo Notes. Fusen, fusen. Memo Notes. Fusen, fusen. The mnemonics is who says memo notes are just for memos? Who says memo notes are just for memos? Who says? Fusen, who says? Fusen, who says? Fusen, memo notes. Fusen, who says memo notes are just for memos? Who says? Fusen, who says? Fusen, memo notes. Fusen, memo notes. Fusen, who says memo notes are just for memos? Fusen, memo notes. Next is paper. Paper in Japanese is kami. Kami. Paper. Kami. The mnemonics for this is call me when the paper's jammed in the printer again, says the technician. Call me when the paper's jammed again. Call me. Kami. Call me. Kami. Paper. Kami. Paper. Kami. Call me when the paper. Call me when the paper. Call me when the kami is jammed in the printer again. Call me. Paper. Paper. Kami. Paper. Kami. Call me when the kami is jammed in the paper again. Paper. Kami. The next one is telephone. 電話 telephone 電話 Dan wipes the the telephone each time somebody else uses it. Dan wipes the telephone each time somebody else uses it. Dan wipes the danwa each time somebody uses it. Dan wipes the danwa. Dan wipes the danwa. Telephone, 電話 telephone, 電話 Dan wipes the 電話 each time somebody else uses it. Dan wipes the 電話 telephone, 電話 telephone, 電話 Dan wipes the 電話 telephone, 電話 Next is envelope. Envelope, 封筒 封筒 The mnemonics for this is Ew, who taught you to lick the envelope glue? Ew, who taught you to lick the 封筒 glue? Who taught you to lick the 封筒 glue? Envelope glue, 封筒 glue. Envelope, 封筒 envelope, 封筒 Ew, who taught you to lick the 封筒 glue? Who taught you to lick the 封筒 glue? Envelope glue, 封筒 envelope, 封筒 envelope, 封筒 Who taught you to lick the envelope glue? 封筒 envelope. Next up, these are the easier ones. Shredder, シュレッダー shredder, シュレッダー pen, 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 pen. Table, テーブル table, テーブル Files, ファイル files, ファイル Computer, PC, computer, PC. Notebook, ノート notebook, ノート Here is the summary for this first 5 vocabularies that was covered today. Chair, 椅子 chair, 椅子 We remembered it with the mnemonics. Isuzu. The isu, the chair on the Isuzu car, zooms forward on the road. Isu, isu, chair. Isu, chair. Memo Notes is Hussein, Hussein. We remembered it with a sentence. Who says memo notes are only for memos? Who says? Who says? Hussein, Hussein. Memo notes. Hussein. Number 3. Paper. 紙, 紙. We remembered it with call me when the paper is jammed in the printer again. Call me. Call me. 紙, 紙. Paper. 紙. Next, we learned telephone. 電話, 電話. Dan wipes the telephone each time somebody else uses it. Telephone. Dan wipes the telephone. Dan wipes. 電話, 電話. Envelope. 封筒, 封筒. We remembered it with the sentence, Who taught you to lick the envelope glue? Who taught you? Who taught? 封筒, 封筒. Envelope. Repeat after me. Chair, 椅子、椅子。Memo Notes 付箋、付箋。Paper 紙、紙。Telephone 電話、電話。Envelope 封筒、封筒。Thank you for watching today's video. I hope it helped you to learn some vocabularies. See you soon!